Hey there. Welcome to Roco Diet. Are you tired of endless sit-ups and calorie counting, but still not seeing the results you want? What if I told you there's a smarter, more effective way to tighten and flatten your stomach without the struggle? Stick around because today, we're diving into the one move and the science-backed strategy that will transform your midsection. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. The problem with traditional methods. Let's face it, traditional methods like sit-ups and calorie counting often leave us frustrated. Why? Because they don't address the real issue. Insulin. Did you know that insulin, a hormone triggered by carbs, is the key to unlocking your fat-burning potential? Today, we'll break down why lowering insulin is the secret to a flatter stomach and how you can do it effortlessly. Ready to get started? Let's go. Key point 1. The calorie deficit myth. First, let's talk about the calorie deficit myth. Yes, burning more calories than you consume is essential for weight loss. But here's the catch. When you cut calories too much, your body adapts by slowing down your metabolism. This means you burn fewer calories, feel hungrier, and hit a plateau. Sound familiar? The good news is, there's a better way, and it starts with understanding insulin. Key point 2. The role of insulin in fat storage. Here's the science. Insulin is a hormone that tells your body to store fat. When you eat carbs, your insulin spikes, and your body stores energy as fat instead of burning it. But when you lower insulin, your body can finally tap into your fat stores for energy. This is why reducing carbs is so powerful. It lowers insulin and unlocks your fat-burning potential. Think of it as flipping a switch to turn your body into a fat-burning machine. Key point 3. Low-carb and ketogenic diets. Now, let's talk about low-carb and ketogenic diets. These diets focus on reducing carbs, which lowers insulin and allows your body to burn fat for fuel. The best part, you'll feel fuller longer, and those annoying cravings will disappear. Imagine eating delicious meals and still losing weight. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's real, and it works. Key point 4. Fat adaptation and ketosis. Here's how it works. When you lower carbs, your body enters ketosis in 2 to 3 days, where it starts burning ketones for energy. But the real magic happens in 2 to 3 weeks, when you become fat adapted. This means your body is efficiently burning fat for fuel, helping you shed stubborn belly fat. And guess what? You'll have more energy than ever before. Key point 5. The dead bug exercise. Now, let's talk about the one move that will tighten and tone your midsection. The dead bug exercise. Unlike sit-ups, this move targets your deep core muscles and fascia, giving you a flatter, more toned stomach. Here's how to do it. Number 1. Lie on your back with your knees bent at 90 degrees. Number 2. Extend your opposite arm and leg while keeping your lower back flat on the ground. Number 3. Alternate sides and repeat. Do this daily, and you'll see results in just 1 to 2 weeks. Key point 6. Combining diet and exercise. To get the best results, combine a low-carb diet with the dead bug exercise. This powerful duo will lower your insulin, burn fat, and tone your midsection, all without the hunger and frustration of traditional methods. Remember, it's not about starving yourself or overworking your body. It's about working smarter, not harder. So, are you ready to transform your stomach and finally achieve the results you've been dreaming of? Start by lowering your carbs, trying the dead bug exercise, and staying consistent. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more life-changing tips from Roco Diet. Thanks for watching, and remember, your journey to a flatter stomach starts today.